Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use my presets in Lightroom Mobile. While watching my videos, a password will appear on the right top corner. Then go to the link given in the description. It will take you to a new page. Enter the password shown in the video. Now download the preset. Then open Lightroom mobile app. Add the preset file you downloaded. Now go to all photos and search the preset file. Open it and create a new preset. You can give any name you want. Here I'll name it as red. Okay, done. Now you can use this preset for any photo you want. Go back to all photos and select the photo you want to edit. Now go to presets and select the preset you saved. Done. Now you can save this edited photo and upload it anywhere you want.